What's the hottest hot sauce you've ever had?
So this, actually, I have a gift for you because we have a new hot sauce. It's a Hot Ones hot sauce. It's the last dab, and it's made with the hottest pepper on earth. So this is 2 million Scoville, and to like put that into perspective, whoa.
They're good at that, isn't it creepy?
You know, a jalapeno might be like 6,000 or something. So you're talking about something
this is off
that's
the
like,
charts.
It's off the charts. It's off the charts. You're busting it open. Are you
Oh, God.
A little floater in your coffee or something? What's the move here?
A little behind your chair. Well,
But we did make it
try
tasty. We did make it tasty. It's got like sort of a must.
Wow.
Yeah. You went there.
I'm gonna have my rosy cheeks all day long now. Oh yeah, I won't be tasting anything for like a year. I think I just took off the inside of my esophagus. Oh my God.
You went there. I didn't even prompt you. I didn't even
Yeah,
go
you
for
have
it
to
now.
move on to silkworm.
And this really, it really looks like silkworm, you know?
Because they really are.
Okay.
Oh, man. Oh!
Okay.
You are awesome!
Now I know what it's like to be trapped on my show. You know, sometimes I lose that perspective.